gorgeous.
When throwing a holiday party, don't feel pressured to do red and green or blue and silver. Do whatever makes you happy. The rainbow is there for you. Have fun with the colors that you love.
Grab a sock.
I'm a shoe-free household, so I bought 8 different pairs of fun festive socks, and each guest is gonna get to pick exactly what they want. Everyone's gonna basically get a gift upon arrival that they can wear all night long, and then take home. When making a holiday wreath, have fun with it. Since my theme is Shine Bright, I'm gonna be color blocking this wreath, so a section of yellow, orange, pink, purple. Keep in mind when you're making a wreath to play with different textures. I have dried flowers, I have Christmas ornaments, I have holiday candy. I'm gonna mix all the textures and colors to give it depth, personality, and flair. A great way to decorate your home for the holidays, or any party for that matter, is a DIY centerpiece. Find the things that are in your closets, under your bed from last year's holiday or birthday, and then we're gonna fill them in these beautiful cloches. It's super simple, super easy, and super fun. I'm gonna fill my cloche with old holiday lights, and to make them light up from the inside, I'm also gonna include these really fun LED lights that do light up. But we're making personalized placemats with extra wrapping paper, and it's super fun and very simple. You essentially cut it to the size that you need, get stickers with letters, pop the names in any corner you want, and you're set. By personalizing wrapping paper placemats, we're also assigning seats for our guests. A great way to showcase all of the holiday cards you get from your family and friends is to display them right on the wall in a fun pattern. I'm gonna make a snowflake because 'tis the season. When decorating your tree, the most important thing is that you light up and smile. For me, when I went shopping for the tree, I passed the holiday aisle and went to the party section. And I was immediately drawn to beautiful, bright, bold ribbons, dried flowers, fake flowers, and I went a little crazy and had so much fun. When working with candy canes, I suggest laying them all out on a plate so you can see all of your colors and you protect the neck. So many of these get broken, and once they're broken, I guess you just have to eat them. Here's a fun way to make your cheese and charcuterie table festive for the holidays. Use your cheese and meats to make a beautiful mural of a winter wonderland. It's beautiful, it's fun, and your guests can eat it. Babies, friends, and family! Cheers! When thinking about the holidays, don't get stuck in what you think you have to do, what's traditional. Do what makes you happy. If it brings you joy and beauty, then I say go for it.